'cause there ain't nothing like a southern summer night. Today we're making fried turtle, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. For snapping turtle, we added 2 quarts of water and half a cup of white vinegar to a pot of boiling water, and we just put the turtle in. We're going to bring it down to a simmer, and then we wait for about an hour. Asparagus spears, we're set.
$6.85.
All right. Had to get some good stuff to go along with it. You ever had snapping turtle?
No. I don't want to try it. I understand it's a turtle that tastes like 7 different meats. 13, 15 chicken.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. You have a good evening.
You too.
You had to learn and burn that diesel and earn that.
Let's see what we got going now. We're putting 2 tablespoons of water to the egg. We're gonna whisk it up and make an egg wash. We're adding a half a cup of cornmeal, a cup and a half of flour. And while we're putting all this together, I went ahead and added the vegetable oil to the deep fryer, put it on 350. All right, we got cayenne pepper, salt, minced onions, garlic powder, and paprika. We're just gonna do 1 tablespoon of everything. All right. Pour this back into the strainer. Now you put the turtle meat, mix it up in the egg wash. You start putting the turtle meat into here, and you mix it up in your flour and your cornmeal. It's been about 5 minutes, so that's enough time for the coating to set. And we're going to start putting these pieces into the fryer, and we'll get this thing going. I'm excited. I am too. Smells good. No rise to the top when they're done. And now we're going to have asparagus and some deer meat, deer steaks. That's some good stuff. This turtle's smelling damn good over here. Tastes pretty good where I add a little salt to them. But other than that, pretty good all around. We're going to add a little salt here. A dash of pepper. Taste test time for everybody. We added salt, so who's trying it first? Other than, okay.
You added salt on top?
Yeah. You want to try it?
What is it?
Turtle. Snapping turtle.
Kind of tastes like chicken a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. You want to try it? Just one. Here, in a little bit, you're going to try one. Snapping turtle? No. Oh, fine.
Chicken?
It's like 7 different types of meat. You don't know what you're going to get. It's a flavor game. Mystery box. Oh, here.
That's a big piece.
Well, the bigger the piece, the more flavor you probably get. That's more probably breading than anything. And then sauce, like, to dip in. Other than that, it's good. Guessing you like it? Yeah? Alright. You gonna try it? Eventually. It's gonna happen at some point tonight. We're gonna get you to try it. Or the Heinz 57. Yeah.
2 chicken, steak, and pork.
Yeah, we're gonna try the Heinz 57 on this thing. Let's try a piece, boys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Better?
Definitely. He's thinking about it over there. He's like, I'm kind of hungry. Solid, like 8 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8.
Been a less drier, it would have been 10 out of 10, definitely.
Been a less drier, it would have been 10 out of 10, definitely.
Cabron! That's a yes from Cameron. Awesome. What's up, YouTube? Toss up the net.
How many servings you want?
This video stuff's wearing me out. What in the hell? I guess pour a little, like around half in there.
Something like a tornado.
Golly, them are looking damn good right now. Alright, Brandon, now what did you do with the asparagus?
Added a stick of butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and all the juices in there. It brings it to a simmer.
Deer steaks, asparagus. I got our appetizer in there. Fried snapping turtle, appetizer about gone. We got mashed potatoes cooking.
And this, mix it up, and that's it. And then add whatever to it after.
Now, if that don't look good, guys. Wow.
It smells so good.
You can't go wrong with deer steaks.
Butter melts, add some salt and pepper.
Supper's about done. And the turtle is gone. G-O-N-E. Dinner is served. I'm already done. You already videoing? Yeah.
Running wild with worn out boots.
Alright. Today we're making snapping turtle bullshit. We're making fried turtle.
I'm not good at this when the camera's on. I don't know why.
Alright, for snapping turtle, all we did was Ninja Turtle.
Hey YouTube, welcome to the nail plantation.
We are some spooky spirits
What's up YouTube, we're going to the
haunted museum today.